Alright, so ayun nga guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa GGK Garage Kitchen and tignan nyo man yung tao guys. Wow, sobrang dinadayo nito. Bakit kaya to dinadayo guys? For only 120 pesos, meron ka ng giant barbecue or chicken inasal. For only 120 pesos, meron ka bang only rice and only soup plus
One soft drinks.
so yun guys, you wanna know about this new hype dito po sa Angeles City, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
120 pesos. 120 pesos siya po yan.
Okay.
Giant barbecue, pili kang metong. Tapos unlimited rice, soup, ang popang metong coke. Libre yan.
Wow.
Unlimited rice naman yan. So, first round.
May mauna akong barbecue. Kanya mong kubawa.
Ikaw yung gawa bro.
This is good.
Kutsara. Barbecue. Dito na guys. So, kain na tayo.
Para sa'yo. Para sa mga kabatayang Pinoy.
Alright.
So yun guys, isa na naman pupuntahan nyo, dadayuan dito sa may Angeles City. If you're interested to know more, brother, ano yung mga business
Yeah,
information
so
natin?
GGK Sky Lounge and yung kanilang mga unlimited and located lang dito sa may Angeles Magalang Road. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya ay malapit sa EPSA. Yan. And they are open from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday.
Guys, kung gusto nyo ng unlimited rice, unlimited soup for only 120 pesos, meron ka ng giant barbecue, inasal. Go check out GGK Garage Kitchen.
Yeah, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching Rory Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and tag mo na yung friend mong mahiling mag-unlimited for only 120 pesos.
Thank you for watching.
Peace out.